Welcome to the top best. The best Pentair Pool Light is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your pool. It not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your backyard oasis but also significantly improves safety during nighttime swims. With a variety of options available, choosing the right pool light can be a daunting task. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and considerations to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. Impresa 79101600Z Pool Light Lens Gasket, Pack of 2. This light lens gasket from Impresa is made of high-quality silicone. It ensures longevity and a superior seal for your pool lights, providing reliable protection against water damage. With this gasket, your light housing stays dry. It effectively prevents water intrusion, maintaining the efficiency and safety of your pool lights, no matter the environment. This gasket is compatible with various pool light brands, including IntelliBrite, Amerlite, and Amerlite. It offers versatility for different pool setups, making it a convenient choice. The bundle includes 2 gaskets, giving you a spare for future replacements. This provides a practical solution for maintaining your pool lighting system efficiently. Installing this pool light lens gasket is simple and doesn't require any special tools. It ensures a secure fit and prevents leaks in your pool lighting system with ease. What we like. This gasket is made of durable silicone material, ensuring a long-lasting and waterproof seal. It's also universally compatible with various pool light models. If you have an in-ground pool and need a reliable, easy-to-install solution to prevent water damage, you should consider this. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire pool. The installation was easy. The color changing feature is a nice touch. Number 4. Pentair Amerlite 78458100 Underwater Pool Light. Introducing the Pentair Amerlite Underwater Pool Light. This light is designed to illuminate your pool with brilliance. It's a great way to enhance your pool experience. It features a durable stainless steel face ring. This design ensures longevity and a sleek look. The unitension clamp adds to its robust construction. The Amerlite provides superior light diffusion. This feature ensures even and widespread illumination. It creates a beautiful ambience in your pool. It also includes a gold diffused low water cutoff. This safety feature helps protect the light. It's designed for reliable performance. The light has a prismatic tempered lens. It uses 500 watt and 120 volt. This lens is designed for optimal light output and durability. It comes with a 50-foot cord for easy installation. The dimensions are 12 inches in length, 11 inches in height, and 12 inches in width. It's a great addition to any pool. What we like. This light features a stainless steel face ring and superior light diffusion for optimal illumination. It also comes with a 50-foot cord for flexible installation. If you are looking for a robust and bright lighting solution with a classic design, this is a great choice. What people say. It fit the old wall niche perfectly and looks great. Works as expected. Installation was easy on my own. Number 3. Pentair AquaLuminator Light Bulb Assembly 69100000. This is the Pentair AquaLuminator Light Bulb Assembly. It's designed to illuminate your above-ground pool. This assembly is a great choice for your pool lighting needs. This light bulb assembly is built to last. It can provide up to 3,000 hours of brilliant light. You can enjoy your pool for a long time. The AquaLuminator is brighter than other pool lights. It will make your pool more inviting. It will enhance your pool experience. This assembly replaces AquaLuminator, Quasar, and Darkbuster lights. It is designed for above-ground pools. It is easy to install. The package includes a replacement bulb, bulb housing, O-ring, and wire connectors. Everything you need is in the box. Get ready to light up your pool. What we like. This assembly includes a long-lasting bulb that provides brighter illumination for your above-ground pool. It's designed for easy replacement of AquaLuminator, Quasar, and Darkbuster lights. If you like a simple and effective way to upgrade your pool's lighting, this is the one for you. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire pool. The installation was easy. The color changing feature is a nice touch. Number 2. Pentair IntelliBrite 5G Color LED Pool Light. Introducing the Pentair IntelliBrite 5G. This underwater LED pool light is designed to illuminate your pool with vibrant colors and exceptional efficiency. It's a smart choice for any pool owner. The IntelliBrite 5G features a superior reflector design. This design directs more light towards the pool bottom, enhancing both the intensity and the color effects. It also minimizes any unwanted glare. The lens geometry ensures light is distributed evenly. This avoids any hot spots and provides uniform lighting throughout your pool. The result is a beautifully illuminated swimming area. The lens can be rotated up to 180 degrees. This allows you to choose between a wide or narrow beam pattern, giving you flexibility in how you light your pool. It's all about customization. The IntelliBrite 5G uses the brightest LEDs available. It consumes up to 50% less energy than competitor lights. This means significant savings on your energy bill while enjoying stunning pool lighting. What we like. This light uses energy-efficient LED technology and offers superior light distribution. The lens can be rotated to adjust the beam pattern. If you are looking for vibrant color effects and want to save on energy costs, this is the perfect option. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire pool. The installation was easy. The color changing feature is a nice touch. Number 1. Replacement LED Face Ring Kit for Pool Light. Is your pool light looking a little dim? This replacement kit is the perfect solution. It will brighten up your pool and make it look brand new. The kit comes with everything you need for a quick and easy installation. You don't need to be a professional to install it. It's designed for simple replacement. This LED light is energy efficient, saving you money on your electricity bill. It provides bright, long-lasting illumination. You'll enjoy years of reliable performance. Made with high-quality materials, this kit is built to last. It's designed to withstand the harsh conditions of a pool environment. It's a reliable choice for your pool. The kit includes a clamp and gasket for a secure and watertight seal. This ensures the light is properly installed and protected. It's a complete solution for your pool lighting needs. What we like. This kit includes an LED face ring, clamp, and gasket for easy installation. It's designed to provide a complete and convenient solution for your pool lighting needs. If you like a hassle-free upgrade with all the necessary components, you should consider this. What people say. The light is very bright and lights up the entire pool. The installation was easy. The color changing feature is a nice touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.